In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Glide apps. First, head to the official Glide apps website and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, look for the New Project button. This is your starting point for building. Click it, and Glide will ask how you want to create your app. You can build from a spreadsheet, connect Airtable, pick a ready-made template, or start entirely from scratch. If you already have structured data, a spreadsheet or Airtable is quick. If you're exploring, a template can help you learn the patterns Glide uses. Next, connect your data source. Glide works seamlessly with Google Sheets, Excel files, Airtable bases, BigQuery, or its own Glide tables. Whichever you choose, make sure your data is tidy, with clear headers and consistent formats so the app knows how to display everything correctly. After you connect, Glide automatically generates a basic layout for you. Give it a moment to build. This saves time and gives you a functional starting point. From there, begin customizing. Set a descriptive app name, adjust colors and branding to match your style, refine page layouts, and organize tabs and navigation so users can find what they need. Swap in images and icons that fit your theme for a more polished look. Now add components to bring your app to life. Drop in text to provide context, buttons to trigger actions, forms to collect information, lists to display records, charts to visualize trends, maps for location-based data, and images where visuals matter. Think about the story each screen tells and which component best communicates it. Open the data editor to manage and organize your data without leaving Glide. Here you can review rows, tweak values, and keep everything clean and consistent, which directly affects how your screens behave. Then create actions and workflows. Set buttons or events to send emails, update data, navigate between screens, or trigger automations. Start simple, like a button that adds a row, then layer in more complex logic as you gain confidence. Use the built-in live preview to see how your app looks on mobile and desktop. Interact with it as a user would. Before publishing, thoroughly test every button, form, and workflow, including success and error paths, to make sure everything behaves as expected. When you're satisfied, click Publish to make your app live. Share it using a public link, a QR code, email invitations, or by embedding it on a website. If you outgrow the free tier, consider upgrading for more users, a custom domain, advanced automations, and team collaboration. That's it. Your Glide app is ready to go.